Hey viewers, what's up? This is Mama Sajidz and you guys watching Sajid's Take. So here in this video, I'm going to talking with about how you can also change the Facebook theme like this, and here you can use a lot of themes from here, and here this theme is really awesome for me. So how you can also use this type of theme in this Facebook, and in this case you can use any type of browser like Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome, Opera Mini, UC browser as you wish. So how you can do that? To know about that, you need to watch this video till to the end. Before just starting that video, there are a bit request from me guys. If you're not already a subscriber of my channel, then please subscribe, and if you do so still now, so thanks a lot. Start that video with you. Okay guys, to do this here you need to install an extension there. So I just go to in another tab, and from here go to there. This is my Mozilla Firefox. So from here go to the add-ons, and here you need to go to in the extension option from here, and here you need to search here something like stylish, STYLISH, and here from you will get this extension there. This is the stylish custom theme for any website. So just open up this, and here guys I have already installed it, so it is there. So from here just click on this add to Firefox or anywhere whichever you want, and here it will be automatically added there. So from here just click on the add, now click on the OK and got it, and from here now click on the enable all, and here guys it's okay to get your all themes here, and now you can search it to get a theme. Now we will off it from here, and here we will got option called this, and here this is the option, and from here it may be stylish, it will be off, and from here we need to make it on by just clicking on the stylish off. And here guys in this installed option, here we will get all those themes which is already installed. Now click on the find any theme from here, and here guys we will get a page, and here it will be loaded, and after that we will get here a lot of themes. Now here there are a lot of themes. Now from here we will click on this clear dark Facebook by Hope 777, and after just clicking on this theme, here this theme will be looked at, and now click on install style. Now here is guys it's okay. Now refresh it and it will be coming there, and now whenever we are there are some options edit, delete and message, and here from if you just click on this active it will be active, and if you want to make it inactive then just click on that and it will be inactive there. And from here if you want to edit this theme, that time you can also do. So for that, first of all just click on this pencil icon from here, and whenever you just click on this pencil icon it will take you in this another page, and here you will get the all CSS of that specific page or the specific website, and here by this you can now stylize this page as you wish. And here if you are a web designer or web developer, that time it's really good news for you, because now you can just get all the codes from here, all the classes and ID, and from here now you can customize it as you wish. And by this way you can also customize this Facebook as you wish, and you can use it in any browser. Now guys it's your turn to do this in your Facebook. Now guys if you can do it by yourself and get satisfied after just getting this theme, that time there are a bit request from me guys. Please like this video, comment me below on this video, share this video with your friends. So guys no more today, we will meet in the next video. So till the end, take care, have a nice day.